Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 48 seed McGrath High up against the number 16 seed St. Mary High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. We begin with McGrath High, which is represented by team captain Stephen Archibald, Javar Douglas, Orlando Brown, and Rashane Gilzine. And St. Mary High is represented by team captain Chavane Clark, Kadeen Graham, Ashana Douglas, and Kemar Waite. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Irving, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. St. Mary High won and decided to go first. So we begin with St. Mary High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so can we have that time on the clock, please? St. Mary. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb, when cocoa ripe, it must. Boss. Correct. McGrath Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. When Maga planting one for dead him? Shoot. Correct. Local affairs, a visual question, St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Carmen Johnson.
Carmen Johnson.
Correct. That's the president of the Nurses Association of Jamaica. McGrath, a visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Right.
No, Raymond Wilson, chairman of the Jamaica Police Federation. French, this is for former chairman. French, this is for you, St. Mary. What is Judéage?
I am hot.
No, it's orange juice. French, this is for you, McGrath. What is fruit de mer?
Honey.
No, it's seafood. Music and audio question for St. Mary. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
That I see, I won't show high love and emotion and love.
Hold on, we're going home.
Hold on, we're going home.
Correct. Music and audio question for you, McGrath. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Only girl in the world.
No, only girl is a correct answer. Art, this is for St. Mary. Which French artist created the work Impression Sunrise?
Claude Monet.
Correct. Art. McGrath. Which French artist created the work Boy in a Red Waistcoat?
Pablo Picasso.
No, Paul Cézanne. Theatre and cinema, visual question for St. Mary. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Tyler James Williams.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, visual question, McGrath. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Trevor Jackson.
No, Alfred Enoch. Bible knowledge for St. Mary. Which of his sons did Jacob refer to as a lion's whelp?
Benjamin.
No, Judah. Bible knowledge for McGrath. Who was the younger brother of Manasseh who received the blessing of the firstborn from his grandfather?
Ezekiah.
No, Ephraim. Sport, a visual question for you, St. Mary. Please identify this person.
Rory McIlroy.
No, that's Nick Kyrgios. Sport a visual question for McGrath. Please identify this person.
David Ferrer.
No, it's Thomas Berdych. And principles of business, this is for St. Mary. What is the term for the battle for consumers between businesses which produce the same products?
Monopolistic competition.
Monopolistic competition.
No, it's competition. Principles of business for McGrath. What is the name for products which can be physically weighed and measured?
Commodities.
No, goods. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are McGrath High on 1 point and St. Mary High on 5 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewers Question. Our Viewers Question comes from the category International Affairs. The question is, what is the only official language of Andorra? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after these messages.